means standard form, expanded form, many things we have studied. Today we are going to study about the comparing of numbers. We have compared all the objects in our daily life, isn't it? We are comparing the things, some objects by its length and length, whether it is small or long, the height of a student by whether he is tall or short, like that, isn't it? Comparison is there. Like that, in the same way, in maths also, that we can compare the numbers. Numbers, what is the property of numbers? Some numbers are big and some numbers are small. Therefore, we can compare the numbers by checking which is the bigger number or which is the smaller number from a group of numbers. To compare the numbers, there are some rules. We have to follow some rules. Do you know what are the rules? First, we are comparing, this chapter we are studying about 5-digit or 6-digit numbers, isn't it? Therefore, to compare a 5-digit or 6-digit number, first we check the number of digits in the given set of numbers. Number of digits in each number in the given set of numbers. The numbers with the different number of digits is the bigger. The number with more number of digits is the bigger number. Okay, what is it? The number with more number of digits is the bigger number. Okay. Then sometimes the numbers have different number of digits. Sometimes the numbers have the same number of digits. If the number of digits are same, then we have to follow another rule. We have to compare the digits from the leftmost place. Compare the digits in the leftmost place. Then and we need to move to the right side, to the right, till we get a different digits. Okay. Therefore, look at this. A number with more digits is always greater than the number with less number of digits. Therefore, first check the number of digits in each number. The number with more digits will be the bigger number and the number with less number of digits will be the smaller number. Then, next condition is if the number of digits are same, then what we should do? When two or more numbers with the same number of digits, then start comparing the digits from the leftmost place and move to the right until you find different objects. Okay. Therefore, first count the, whenever you get some numbers to compare, first you check the number of digits in the given set of numbers. Then the number with more digits will be the bigger number. Then next you have to check if the numbers having the same number of digits, then compare the digits from the leftmost place and move to right side. Let us see some examples. Okay. Then in the previous classes you have studied that to compare numbers we are using some symbols. There are some symbols to compare the numbers. Do you remember what are they? Do you remember that? Yes, these symbols we are using. What is this symbol? Do you know what is that symbol? Do you remember that? And one more, another symbol is this one and these three symbols. These three symbols we are using to compare two numbers. Okay. Then what is this? This is less than. And what about this? This is a greater than symbol and this symbol all of you know, equal sign. Equal, no? Therefore, less than, greater than and equal sign. Therefore, to compare two numbers, we can insert in any one of these symbols in between the two numbers. Then we can read the number as less than or greater than like that. Okay, let us see. Two numbers are given. In the first question, compare the numbers using less than, greater than or equal sign. Okay, we need to put that symbols in between the numbers. Then first number is, how do you read this number? This is a 5-digit number. This 5, 6, 8 is in the ones period and 3 and 4. 3, 4 is in the thousands period. Therefore, the number is 34,568 and the next number also 34,568. Okay, look at the number of digits. To compare what we should do first check the number of digits. How many digits are there in the first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. In the second number also there are 5 the number of digits are same. Then we need to compare the digits from the leftmost place. Leftmost place digit, for in the first number, the leftmost place digit is 3. In the second number also, the digit is 3. Then the second number, from the second number is 4. This number also 4 it is. Then the third digit is 5 in both the numbers. Fourth number is 6 in both the numbers, and the this last digit is same in both the digits. In these numbers, the first set of numbers, all the digits are same. Therefore, what we say, the two numbers are equal. Therefore, put equal sign. Okay, 34,568 is equal to 34,568. Why should we put here equal? Because all the digits in both of the numbers are same. That means the two numbers are equal. Then look at the second number. The first condition is in comparing numbers. The first condition is find the number of digits in the number. In the first number, how many digits are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And the second number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second number contains 6 digits. Therefore, obviously, the second number is a bigger number. Second number is having more number of digits. Therefore, the second number is the bigger number. Then what symbol we should put? Less than or greater than this symbol or this symbol? Yes, this 76,809 is less than 2,32,556. Okay, less than. Then third number. How many digits are there in the third number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In both the numbers have the same number of digits. Then what we should do? Then compare the digits, each digit in the respective places. First, check the digits compare the digits in the leftmost place. Leftmost place digit is 7 in both the numbers. They are same. Then look at the next digit. Next digit is 6 in the first number and 5 is in the second number. Okay, 6 and 5. Okay, 6 or 5, which is bigger number? 6 or 5, which is bigger? 6 is bigger now. Therefore, this first number will be the greater number. Therefore, which symbol we need to use? This symbol, less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal sign. The first number is bigger. Therefore, 7,65,789 is greater than 7,56,879. Okay. Then one more number is here. Then look at the numbers. First count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits in the first number. 6 digits are there in the first number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the second number also there are 6 digits. Therefore, compare the digits in both the numbers. The first digit from the leftmost place is 2 in both the numbers. 2. Both are same. In the second number in the leftmost place is 5. Same. Then the third digit also same. Isn't it? Then what about the fourth digit? Fourth digit is 8 here, this 8, and here it is 3. 8 or 3, which is smaller, which is bigger or which is bigger? 8 is bigger, isn't it? 8 is the bigger number. That means the first number, this number is the bigger number. Okay. Therefore, do you understand? Then first to compare the number, what we should do? First check count the number of digits in each number, in both the numbers or the given numbers. Then if the number of digits are same, then compare the digits from the leftmost place. Start from the leftmost place and go to right until you get different digits. Okay. Therefore, and whenever we are using these symbols, less than or greater than, I have told you in the smaller classes also, I have told you that this less than symbol or greater than symbol, it is having one end is closed and the other end is open. Therefore, this open end is should be always near to the bigger number and the closed end should be always near to the smaller number. Okay, look at here. This is the smaller number, therefore the closed end near to the smaller number and the open end that will be the near to the bigger number, like that. You should remember that thing. Closed side and the open side. Open side should be near to the bigger number, and the closed that end should be near to the smaller number, like that. Okay, then if I have to write this in your notebook. Okay, compare the numbers using less than, greater than or equal sign. Write this in the notebook. Then next is ordering of numbers. Ordering means you have to write the numbers, write the even numbers in some order. So that you have already studied that the order ascending order or descending order. Okay, ascending order means what? Ascending order means small to big. Okay, climbing up from smaller one number to bigger number. You arrange the first, you write the smaller number first, then go to and last you have to write the bigger number. Okay, ascending means ascending. Whenever you are thinking about ascending, you think about the assembly line, isn't it? In the assembly, how do you stand? The shorter one in the class will be standing at first, and the taller one in the class will be standing at last, isn't it? That means ascending order connected with the assembly line. Okay, that will be easy for you to remember. Therefore, ascending order means starting from the smaller number to bigger number. Okay, here are some examples. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, therefore, first we need to arrange it in ascending order. Therefore, first we need to write the smaller number first. To find the smaller number, we need to count the number of digits in the given set of numbers. Count the number of digits. Then in each number, we need to count the number of digits. Okay, first number contains how many digits? How many digits are there in the first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, all the numbers, all the four numbers contains 5 digits. Okay, same number of digits. Then start comparing the numbers. Start comparing the digits in each number. Okay, start comparing the leftmost place digit in each number. Okay, the leftmost place digit in the first number is 4. Okay, then in the second number it is 5, and the third number it is 2, and the fourth number it is 3. Therefore, 4, 5, 2 or 3, which is the smaller number? First digit. Then the first digit in the first number is 4, and 5 in the second number, 2 in the third number, and 3 in the fourth number. Therefore, which is smaller? 4, 5, 2 or 3? Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. Therefore, we can say this number will be the smallest number. Therefore, write it first. How do you read this number? To read the number, put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000. Then how do you read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000? Okay. Then how do you read 26,487? You have already learned that how to the number names and all. Okay, therefore no need to explain it again. Then next smallest number. After 2, 3. This first digit is 3 in this number. That is the next smallest number. Okay. Therefore, this 36,976. Next smallest number. Then 2 more numbers are remaining. This 43,217 and 51,879. Then these two numbers, 4 or 5, which is the bigger number or which is the smaller number? This 4 is the smaller number. Therefore, that will be the next smallest number. Okay. Then the last, the bigger number is 51,879. Therefore, arranging in the ascending order means 26,487, 36,976, 43,217, 51,817. Okay. Like that. Then the next set of numbers. There are also 4 numbers. Then first what we should do? we should count the number of digits in each number. Number of digits in each number. Then first number contains how many digits? Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, all the four numbers contain 6 digits. Therefore, equal number of digits. Then, what we should do next? We should compare the leftmost digit in each number. Therefore, leftmost place digit is this 6 in the first number, 9 in the second number, 2 in the third number, and 5 is in the last number. Like that. Okay. Then 6, 9, 2, and 5. Among these four numbers, which is the smaller one? You know that is 2 is the smallest number. Therefore, this number will be the smallest number. How do you read that number? That is ones, tens, hundreds, then put a comma, 1000, 10,000, put a comma. Then how do you read? 2,01,647 is the smallest number among these numbers. Then next number. Next smallest number we need to find out. Then among these 6, 9 and 5 we can cross this one. Okay, we have already written that, therefore just cross that number. Then compare these three numbers, the remaining three numbers, 6, 9 and 5. Which is the smaller one? 5 is the smaller number. Therefore that number will be the next smallest number. Okay, that is 5,61,397. Okay, then this number also we have written. Then two more numbers are remaining. Compare the two numbers. Then to compare the numbers 6 and 9, first digit in the leftmost place, that is 6 and 9. 6 is the smallest number. Therefore, that will be the next smallest number. Okay, that is, how do you read? For that, put the commas. Okay, 6,62,840 is the next number, and this number is the last one. That means that is the biggest number. Okay. Okay. 9,24,076. One more question is here. Arrange in the ascending order. Okay, count the number of digits. First number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Second number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then third number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, these two numbers, they are having 5 digits. Okay. Therefore, any one of these numbers will be the smaller one, isn't it? Therefore, check that one, which will be the smaller one. For that, what should do? We have to compare the leftmost place digit. That is 9. In this number 9, and this number it is 4, isn't it? Therefore, 9 or 4, which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. Therefore, this number is the smallest number, and the next smallest number is okay, 95,631. Then two more numbers are remaining. All the numbers contains 6 digits. Okay. Then in that numbers also check or compare the leftmost place digit 5 and 6. 5 or 6. Obviously 5 is the smaller number. Therefore this number will be the smallest number. That is 5,40,178. Like that. Then at last this number is remaining. That means that is the bigger number. Okay, this is the way to arrange in the ascending order. Therefore, ascending order means arrange the numbers from the smaller number. Start from the smaller number and then go to the large number. Okay, starting from smaller to bigger number. At first write the smallest number and at last write the biggest number. Okay, ascending order is that. And the examples you have to write this in the notebook. Okay. Next we are going to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means first we should write the bigger number first. Okay. Therefore, first count the number of digits in the numbers, in the given set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all the 4 numbers, there are 5 digits. Then, what about the first digit from the left side? First digit from the left side, 3 in the first number, 3 in the second number, 3 is in the third number also, and 4 is in the fourth number also. The leftmost place digit is same for all the numbers. Then look at the next place. Second digit from left side is 1 in the first number, 0 in the second number, 6 in third number, and 1 in fourth number. Okay. Then the second number having 0 in the second digit from left side, isn't it? Second place from the left side. Therefore, this number is the smallest number. But we need to write we are writing this in the descending order, no? Therefore, we are writing the bigger number first. Therefore, look at the number, which will be the biggest number. That is 6 is the biggest digit, no? Therefore, write that number first. 36,170 is the biggest number. Next we need to find out the next biggest number, next bigger number. Okay. Therefore, this number we have already written. Therefore, no need to write that again. Next one, 31,067, 30,167, and 31,670. Okay. The second digit from the left side for the first number and the second number is 1. Okay. Therefore, compare these two numbers. The second digit from the left place is same in both the numbers. Therefore, compare the third digit from the left side. The third digit is 0 in the first number and 6 in the last number. Therefore, this will be the bigger number. That is 31,670 will be the next bigger number. Then, 2 more numbers are remaining for that number. One is in the second place from the left side. This number 0 is the second digit from the left side. Therefore, this will be the bigger number, 31,067. And at last, 30,167 will be the smallest number. Okay. Therefore, descending order means starting from the bigger number to smaller number. Then the next set of numbers count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All the 4 numbers have 6 digits each. Therefore, find out the bigger number first. For that, first find the first digit in the leftmost place. 8 in the first number, 9 in the second number, 9 in the third number also, 8 in the last number. Then 9 is the bigger number. Therefore, compare these two numbers, second and third. For the second number and third number, the second place digit from the left side also same. Okay. Then go to the third place. Third place is 8 for the second number and the 6 in this number. Therefore, this will be the bigger number. That is 9,08,658 is the biggest number among these numbers. Then for next bigger number will be this one, 9,06,858. Okay. Then compare. We have written already these two numbers. Therefore, subtract. Then next 2 numbers are remaining. For that numbers, both the numbers have 8 in the first place. Therefore, compare the second digit. 9 in this number and 0 in this number. Because this 9 is bigger, therefore write down that first. 8,90,568. And this is the last number and the that's the smallest one, 8,06,588. Okay. Then one more question is there. Therefore, for that also count the number of digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, second and fourth number contains 5 digits. Okay. Therefore, that will be the smaller one. Then first one and third number contain 6 digits. Then compare that to first number and third number. Find out which is the bigger number. Okay. Then to compare that, find out the first digit from the left place. Okay, left side. That is 5 in the first number and 3 in the third number. Therefore, 5 will be bigger now. Therefore, write down that first. 5,67,290. Then next is latest number is 3,87,902. Okay, we have written these two numbers. Cross out that. Then two numbers are remaining. These two numbers contains 5 digits. Then look at the first digit from the left side. 7 in second number and 9 in fourth number. Therefore, 9 is the bigger number. That is 98,521 is the next biggest, and the smallest number is 70,652. Okay. Therefore, what we have studied today? We have studied comparing and ordering of numbers. Okay, children. Write down this in the notebook. Okay. Then this that's all for today's class. Okay, children. Take care.